From our archives, the Billy Graham Classics.
Somebody asked an Anglican down in London when we were down there. They were trying to witness, and they said, "Are you a Christian, sir?" He said, "I've been an Anglican all my life, and nobody's going to make a Christian out of me." And down in Texas, they asked a man on the street in Fort Worth, Texas, said, "Are you a Christian?" He said, "No, thank God I'm a Baptist." May be sincere. I watched a man in an American football game, and there were 90,000 people in the Rose Bowl in Pasadena, California, and he carried that ball down the field. The crowd cheered, but he ran the wrong way and got a goal for the other team and lost the game. He was sincere. My mother was sincere when I was a little boy and gave me what she thought was cough syrup for my cold and gave me iodine. And she called up quickly the doctor, and the doctor said, "Give him some cream." Well, we had a little dairy farm with about 60 cows, and she almost filled me up with cream.
From our archives,